These are the teals. This is Manny. That was Roxy just jumped on me. Danny. Well, that's Danny. That's Gracie. That's Slick. There's Grayson. Frankie. Frankie. We'll come back to Frankie. Oh, there's Frankie. And there's Baby, our little man. There's Roxy. Roxy don't like teals, do you, Roxy? Right. And then there's Pearl. Pearl's not crazy about teals either, are you, Pearl? Then there's Barry. He's not crazy about anybody. And then there's Scout. Hi, Scout. They're outside in the aviary. And Roxy's trying to strangle herself with my camera cord.